Okay, this quick video is a little bit about some programming. This is using the Khan Academy, so we're doing some coding. So you can go to the khanacademy.org/cs. When you type in /cs, it will take you to this page. And so this page is essentially an introduction to computer science, and this is JavaScript. And so when you're taking a look at JavaScript, it has an introduction to programming, it has the drawing basics. The introduction to programming will be a short video. It'll show you it'll show you what is programming, and then the learning programming from the Khan Academy. And so it has a short video. I always show this to my students. It talks about where you can use it and what programs they have for the Khan Academy. And then when you go to the second video, it also teaches you a little bit about this. And what you can see here is that on the left-hand side, it has some coding, and on the right-hand side, you're making a picture. And the way that the Khan Academy works is that they show you the coding, and then they show you how to make some changes and how it affects the picture on the right-hand side. So you can follow through this, and then you can go into the drawing basics. Each one of these things is a quick video, which will show you information on the left-hand side and pictures on the right-hand side. And then it will also give you a challenge. So following through on the left-hand side here, you can see that what you're going to do is you're going to follow the hints. And so if I go like this, if I simply start over, then it's going to give me a hint, and it's going to say, here's how to make an ellipse. And so when you make the ellipse, they really want you to type your own stuff. So ELLIPSE bracket. And then you have to put in 4 numbers. So they're actually giving you the numbers for you: 200, 300, 150, 150. Right bracket. And then you think that you're done, but then you also have to make sure that you add the semicolon. When you've done the semicolon, it rewards you with a picture on the right-hand side. And so once you have this, you can start to see that what you can do is you can change the appearance, and it's guiding you through. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to let me. Yes, it will. So now I have a second one, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that rise, and then I'm going to change the size of this so that it is smaller and also smaller. And well, maybe I've done it too small, so I'm going to go with 100, and then I'm going to go with 100. And then finally, I'll do the same thing again here like this, except this time I'll go 75, 75. And what I can do is I can scrub that number. I can make it go like this. And so 75. You can see that in this case, what I've got is I've got a circle here like this, but it's in the wrong vertical position. So I can change the vertical position of this. So I'll end up with something that looks like this. And then you follow the steps and you can make your entire snowman. Now, when you finish this, what you can do is you can do what's called a spin-off. So you're taking this thing, you're making it your own, and you can make a spin-off. So I'm going to go like this. I'm just going to call it spin-off of the snowman. And so now it gives it to you all by yourself. So in this case, I've got a snowman here like this. If you look down underneath, you can add some documentation. You can take a look at the things like you could add a rectangle to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here. I'm going to look at a rectangle, and then I can add that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this,